What's up? I gotta show you this cool thing. This is the light chain, and this is the fan chain, and this is not the reverse chain, I swear. So anyway, this is there are two light chains. If you pull this to turn it off, and then pull this to turn back on, but if you pull this to turn off, pull this, it won't turn on. You gotta pull this so it'll turn back on, I think. But anyway, I'll give you the demonstration. Ah! I'm just kidding. I'm not actually afraid of the dark. I just like to fake it because I just think it's funny. But anyway, let's turn this back on. I need to turn on a lamp. But anyway, I'm gonna show this fan on, show the light. I'm gonna turn this off. See, it don't turn on. Wait, it's not turning on? Oh, there it is. Alright, this is the normal light chain here, I think. It might be some Hampton Bay Littleton with painted bearings and gold painted blade arms. Sorry, I don't want to get my words mixed up. But anyway, this is the light chain. But anyway, let's turn this. I'm gonna show you. If I do this does the same thing after I turn this off. See there? But if I turn this off and then pull it once, it doesn't turn back on, no matter how much I pull it. Well, if I turn this off, pull it once, it don't turn on. But if I pull it second time, it just turns on. It's just off. It's kind of odd, isn't it? And I'm sorry if that thing rattles. I prefer to do it like this because I don't want the globe to fall. It's loosely on there, and the dang thing shakes. And it's switching hands, by the way, because my right arm is getting tired. But anyway, let's turn this off. I can hear people out there talking. See there? This is so odd. But this doesn't wobble. I'm going to show you. For some reason, it's odd that it doesn't wobble. So I'm going to turn this on high to show you. It buzzes. Anyway, we'll turn this off. They must have replaced the light kit for some... They must have added a light kit for some reason. Now let's pull this. This is kind of odd. That's very odd. I shouldn't have said very. That's more than kinda. It's just kinda odd, I should say. But anyway, this is cool. Thanks for watching.